I use styling insert date like this. For example, today and 2025, like this, one by one. Let me show you how to add or insert drop-down calendar like this. Just a click, you got it. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, first of all, just make selection where you want to add the calendar and then go to data and choose data validation and then click add rule. And this time we don't use drop down, but we use is validate and then just done. Okay, now just double click it and you can choose any date that you want directly without additional software. Okay, hope you learned something from video. See you next time.